Hey, Random Butterfly here, and I'm back doing another one of these things where I look at some of my old sketches from, well, high school, middle school, and whatnot. So yeah, this is the first one I believe that I got when I was in high school. So yeah, slightly better sketches than the first notebook that I showed y'all, but still kind of cringy. So yeah, let's see what I did. Okay, let's start. Pennies for patience. Hi, for those of you who don't know, I'm Christy. Future animator. Wow, I got ambitious there. Anyway, this is my animation. Form? I can't English right. But I don't look like. Why would I want to look like this? This looks ugly. It looks like a knockoff Inuyasha. This is. If you hate it, too bad. I like that line. If you hate it, too bad. This is one way to put myself onto the page, besides my signature. Hey, there's Sakurayumi, and oh my gosh, she looks slender. Olive. I reused that name so many times. But that one's cute. It's cutesy. I like it. Oh wow. He looks like an edgelord. Look at them fingers. Can I just get a zoom up of that? Hey, it's Dragon. Oh my gosh, he needs a haircut. Hey, it's a candy kitten. So cute. Looks like Sakurayumi again, and oh, these hands. I was so proud of him way back then, I know it. I still can't handwrite. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Just like a little scenery here. I need to do more of this. I could do better now. I don't know. Maybe not so much with lack of practice. And a person. Seriously, I can't remember 90% of these people. Hey, it's knockoff Inuyasha me again. I know that one. That's a centaur. That's a lady. That's a doll. That's a faceless person. That's another centaur. This is a creepy image, which I am totally gonna steal for my comic. You know, it's not stealing if it is your own work, technically. Here's a pointy-eared lady. I don't know. Some of these aren't finished, like this one. Faceless lady. Faceless person. Oh, this one's kind of cute. I like the rose. Huh. Need to practice more on roses. Here's little plant-like animal things. You got like a leafy butterfly, a turtle with like grass growing out of him, a monkey with a flower at the end of the tail. This might be interesting to redraw in different ways. It's a cat with a scarf. It looks horrible, but yeah. Kanji! Oh, this guy, he had an obsession with jelly-filled donuts. He will do anything to get his darn jelly donuts. Just set a world record for jelly donuts eaten in a day, and still isn't done. See, I told you. I guess that's Sakurayumi again. Again, this was one of my OCs that I was kind of proud about way back when, but now, like, I don't know. The little mini hand angel. That's cute. Interesting. Oh, nice. Sizes and weapons may vary. These were like the soldiers opposing Sakurayumi, if that makes sense, in the story. Here's a very edgy picture. Here's a very emo picture. Here's a very angry picture. Here's a cute one. Oh, someone's sleeping on a sheet. There's Amy Mist. There's another member, which I'm not going to spoil. There's a lady in a kimono with a flower. You see so much of that. There's an awkward crotch shot. There's another eye, this time with lilies. I like the outfit on this one. There's an edgy person with weird anime hair. Another rose. Looks like a vampire eye. Knockoff Inuyasha me looking at a fish. Faceless person! This one I was sort of proud of way back when. Lilies. This one actually is kind of cute. I like this one. This one's a left-handed swords person. This one's an edgelord. I'm gonna say this a lot, aren't I? This one lady's sort of like in a Chinese/Japanese inspired outfit. Again, anime was my world way back in high school and middle school, so yeah, you could see the references there. Then this thing will know me better! Talk about a misunderstanding. A lady with slightly cutesy eyes. I don't care what you say. Those bunny ears don't make me look cute. Edgy! Wendy's! So it's you, Supper Yumi. I don't know if it was you, but I want to make sure. Now that I know you've completely come, Maria needs recruits, and you're just what we need to win. What I don't understand, Kiru, is why. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Why did you side with Maria and harm innocent lives? Yuki. Something about being a girl, something about Kenji being a dunce. Yeah, no. Nah. If y'all want me to read that, I might later. You know what? I'll even spice it up some. Okay. Lady in a very fancy dress. Fun doing like the little frills. You know, I could do something like that again. Need to add more frills, more floof. A sketchy person running with books. It's dangerous. Someone walking in an open field. Another person with sword. This one was actually cool. I like the concept of it. This person basically had a moon fan and a sun fan, and depending on how she moved her fans, the sun would rise or the moon would rise. I don't know. It's an interesting concept, and I want to go back to it somehow. I don't know. That was the one I do remember. A chibi cat thing in an overall. And yeah, that's it. Alright. Thank y'all guys for watching. If you liked that video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of my videos, here's a couple more. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe. Thank you, and goodbye.